Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. Thank you for spending some time with me. You guys are here for my first lingerie set of this year, and I made the Hanna Bralette together with the Ariella Panty. I wanted to say Tanga, but okay, Panty. And I have a little bit of behind the scenes for the cutting process of the Ariella. The Ariella is by Evielaluve. I like both of these pattern companies because their sewing instructions are very friendly. They have depiction as well as text. They also have either a blog to accompany the pattern or a video or Instagram reel or Instagram video to accompany the pattern. I think showcasing the bra this way, it might give you a better view, but this is the Hanna Bralette. As you can see here, I'm very happy as to how it turned out. I have the seams encased, the ones for the cup as well as the cup attaching to the back band. I have the one in the center here encased. The picot elastic goes all the way on the bottom as well as those sides there. This is a step that isn't in the original instructions, but this one is a step that I learned from Evielaluve, where I put the band, the shoulder strap, I attach it so it's extra secure in the band, in the lower band, and of course the closure. And it depends on you how what type of closure you want to use. If you wanted to use a skinny one, you can cut it and slope it so it's a better fit. So this was the bra, and this is the Ariella undie. And again laying it down like this on the table, laying it flat on the table, I think gives you a better view as to what I did. I have the fold over elastic, the picot elastic. I have lace overlay on the front center, or yeah, on the front piece, which is up to there. I have the jersey or viscose jersey lining. The back, I used my overlocker for the sides, both of the sides, and then I also used my overlocker on this side of the gusset and this side. I used my overlocker also for the center back. I used the zigzag just on my machine just to tag this down, making sure it stays in place. I did it on this side as well as the other side, and this is my final product. Of course, I feel like, I mean, the set is absolutely amazing. I really love it. I buy my supply. The lace is from Beware. This scuba is something that I still had in my stash. My fold over elastic could be from several ones, but I think lately here I've been shopping at Bont and Compt, and this strap elastic is also from there. And then my hardware I usually buy at Costura Studio, and that one is in Spain. So I usually buy them a little. I don't shop there every month, but when I do, I just make sure to stock up. And this is it. This is what I wanted to show you. The fit is really good. The instructions are really good. And I like this combo. But I'm very, very happy. One down. One down and 11 to go. I know. And listen, I got called out because hubby counted all of the underwears and bralettes that I have. I'm close to 40, y'all. I'm close to 40. But with each one of them, it gets better and better. I am definitely going to strive for an undie draw completely handmade. I will. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey.